In Forex, currencies trade in pairs like Euro-USD. The first currency is the base, and the second is the quote. If Euro-USD is 1.1, 1 euro equals 1.1 US dollars. Here's how it works. If you believe the euro will strengthen against the dollar, you buy the pair. If you think the euro will weaken, you sell the pair. Your profit or loss depends on the price movement between the two. The 7 major currencies, USD, Euro, JPY, GBP, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and Swiss franc, combine to form 28 major and minor currency pairs. Major pairs always include the US dollar, like Euro-USD or USD-JPY. Minor pairs don't include the US dollar, but feature other major currencies, like Euro-GBP or AUD-JPY. Exotic pairs involve a major currency paired with a currency from an emerging economy. This has been Forex in 1 minute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next one.